Have you ever wondered how attackers manipulate online transactions? Like someone trying to change the price of an order, say from $500 to $5? Welcome to SecOps Syndicate. I'm Tony, your cybersecurity sensei, guiding you through the Cyber Dojo. In this video, we're exploring Burp Suite, a powerful tool for web security testing that can reveal web manipulation vulnerabilities. We'll demonstrate how to intercept and modify HTTP requests to manipulate pricing, exposing a vulnerability known as Insecure Direct Object Reference, IDOR, or Broken Access Control, which is listed in the OWASP Top 10. Remember, always test responsibly, only on websites you own or have permission to test, and follow responsible disclosure guidelines. Remember, with great power comes accountability. So what exactly is Burp Suite? Think of it as the Swiss Army knife for web security testing. It's designed to intercept, inspect, and manipulate web traffic between your browser and a web server. To make Burp Suite even smoother, we've installed Foxy Proxy, a browser extension that helps us toggle between our standard internet browser and the traffic interception power of Burp Suite. First, head over to the Firefox or Chrome extension store and search for Foxy Proxy Standard. Once installed, open up Burp Suite. Hit the next button, since we're only using a temporary project. Hit Start Burp Suite. We're only using the Community Edition, so we're going to use the Burp defaults. Once Burp Suite's open, we can navigate to the Settings tab. Here we can see what our proxy default will be. Next, configure the proxy settings with Burp Suite configuration. Once set up, activate the Foxy Proxy. Don't forget to disable it when you're browsing normally. Now in Burp Suite, head over to the Proxy tab. Hit the Intercept button to make sure it's toggled on. This is where we will capture the requests with Burp Suite. Now that Burp Suite is actively capturing requests, let's visit a vulnerable e-commerce website like testphp.vulnweb.com, a vulnerable website for security testing. As we interact with the website, each intercepted request will be held by Burp Suite until we manually forward it to the server. Let's choose a category. And then an item for purchase. As we add an item to the cart, Burp Suite grabs the HTTP request in real time. We've intercepted a post request related to our cart, allowing us to inspect and modify it. We observe that the listed price is $500. With the request intercepted, let's take a closer look at the details. Aha! Here it is, the price parameter. Let's change this from 500 to 5. We've modified this value. Now we'll send it to Repeater for further inspection. Before we forward this to the server, let's switch this to the Repeater tab for testing. This allows us to repeatedly modify and send requests without refreshing the page. In the Repeater tab, We can now see that our modified price has been successfully applied to the request. Next, we send the altered request back to the web server and observe its response. If the server responds with a 200 OK, our sneaky modification succeeded. The server responds with a 200 OK, indicating that our modified request was accepted. This confirms that there is no proper validation on the backend, making this a significant security risk. Now let's check our cart. Bingo! The price has dropped dramatically. On an insecure website, this can mean getting a brand new laptop for the price of a cup of coffee. On a vulnerable e-commerce platform, this could allow an attacker to exploit pricing manipulations. Imagine a hacker shouting, "I'm not paying full price for this," like it's some chaotic episode of extreme couponing. Jokes aside, this is a serious security risk. Ethical hackers would responsibly report this vulnerability via a bug bounty program or directly to the site's developers. Securing web applications helps protect businesses and their customers from potential exploitation. For developers, adding server-side validation and implementing strict access controls are crucial in preventing attacks like these. And that's a wrap on today's Burp Suite adventure. We've seen how powerful this tool can be, from intercepting requests to manipulating data. But trust me, this is just scratching the surface. Burp Suite can also help you uncover hidden endpoints, test for session management flaws, and even automate complex attacks with Intruder. If you've learned something new today, or want to see more Burp Suite tricks in action, drop a comment down below. I'd love to hear what you're excited to explore next. And hey, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if this video helped you out so you don't miss out on future episodes packed with cybersecurity insights and hands-on demos. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay sharp, and I'll see you in the next one.